So this is Matterport's kind of we've done some work for you offering, and they'll include a couple little video files that they extrapolate from the tour, as well as some photos that they've extracted. And this is something I'd never use. We don't provide media from the tour to the client. We usually are doing actual walkthrough video with the video camera or HDR photos. But if you wanted it, you could get this here.
So I want to say for clarification, there's two things. If you scroll up just to the top so everybody could see the details at this media tab. So as a default, Matterport automatically generates these. So it just shows up. And you could decide on photos, for example, you want to do screen grab, you want to do snapshots within Matterport Workshop. Tom will show us that. So that you say, oh, well, I didn't like how they framed that particular photo. This is the view that I wanted, or this is the 360 image that I wanted from the Matterport tour. So I think we're talking about two things here, Tom. One is the default videos and photos that Matterport just displays. And then second is if you have a desire to decide what photos that you want. On videos, you can't generate a video, but you could use a third-party company to generate a video from a Matterport tour. Anything to add to that, Tom?
No, and I will say that I actually have done some extractions of photos for one particular client who didn't want to pay for HDR photos. So I have used it, but yeah, we'll go over how to do that.
Thank you.
In the stats tab, don't judge me, but there's no views, and that's because I just cloned this a couple days ago, so nobody's seen it. But this is where impressions would be, visits, unique visitors. You would see all that here.
Yeah, and I would add to this screen, Tom, is there are third-party companies that provide robust stats using Google Analytics keys in order to tell you a whole lot. There are multiple vendors that provide a lot of information, including heat maps. Again, if you go to the We Get Around Network Forum, WeGetAroundNetworkForum.com, go up to the top, the tab that says Marketplace, and you can just go down to the category statistics and find vendors that offer robust stats.
Yeah.